Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need a clear seed list and the Trends interface ready. Open Google Trends and sign in. Start by entering one niche keyword, then set the region and a 12-month time range so you capture recent seasonality. Once done, switch the category to match your market, retail, beauty, or electronics, to remove noise. Now run a comparisons query with 3 related keywords to see relative interest. This first actionable step reveals immediate winners and losers to prioritize. Now drill deeper. Compare variations and long-tail phrases using the comparison tool. Add filters for category and web search to refine results. Make sure to read related queries. Toggle rising to spot emerging products and top to validate volume. Once you spot a rising query with strong percent growth, click the subregion map to find geographic demand. Then change the time span to 90 days to confirm momentum. These execution steps separate transient spikes from real trends. Wrap up by validating candidates. Export the CSV and score items by growth, seasonality, and regional strength. Then cross-check in Google Shopping or Marketplace search to confirm supply. Once done, shortlist products with consistent upward interest and reasonable competition. If the data looks noisy or inconsistent, broaden the time range and compare synonyms or alternate spellings to smooth out anomalies. A key troubleshooting tip: when results conflict, increase geographic scope and reevaluate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.